Have you ever grown eggplant at home and got the same yield as grown in the field? If you have tried, but it is not effective, please follow this video of mine. Today, I will guide you on how to plant and fertilize properly to have a productive eggplant garden, like growing in the field and sometimes even more. Growing eggplant at home is not difficult. Just plant and fertilize properly, and you will have the eggplant garden you want. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants, I choose old and strong seeds to grow young plants. After planting the seeds in the ground, I will water them by spraying them to keep the soil moist so the seeds will germinate quickly. Today I will use D's Leader Can to grow eggplant. With the 10-liter can, I cut off the top and take the bottom. Then, I use a hole punch and punch around the can so that when I fill it with soil, the soil will create ventilation for the plant. Water bottle. I also cut the top of the water bottle and punched a hole, then used multi-purpose tissue paper to stick to the bottle to create a watering line for the plants. If I want the plant to grow quickly, I will mix worm castings into the soil to help the plant absorb nutrients from the beginning. After a few days of sowing the seeds, they have now sprouted and grown into young plants. I will transplant them into a 10-liter can. After planting, I put water in the bottle so that the wick can absorb water from the bottle to the soil to help the plant have moisture to grow. At this stage, the tree is taking root and growing, so to provide nutrients for the tree so it doesn't lack nutrients, I put worm castings at the base to help the tree absorb nutrients faster. I want the tree to stand more firmly, so I put soil at the base to help the tree become stronger and healthier. To keep the plant moist, I will regularly water it. Now the tree is flowering and fruiting, so it needs more nutrients. So I put worm manure at the base to help the tree absorb it to grow bigger and more fruit. This is also the stage where worms and fungi invade very quickly. So to prevent pests, I use chopped fresh turmeric mixed with water and spray on the plants. Fresh turmeric is very effective in preventing worms and fungi. Amazingly, after just over a month of growing eggplant at home, the yield was even higher than expected. I will harvest eggplant and share with my family to enjoy the fruits of my labor. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.